There's a hidden niche on YouTube and TikTok that nobody is talking about. And creators like this are making $7,000 per month just from posting texting story videos. Other creators like this are making $250,000 per month by posting these types of videos. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to make $250,000 per month, but what if you can make $10,000? What if you can make $15,000 a month just from posting these simple videos on TikTok and YouTube? You might be asking yourself, who the fuck are you? Why should I even watch your video? Well, my name is Michael and I run John YouTube as well as other Faceless YouTube channels that have gotten over 4 million views collectively. I also have one of the best-selling AI and Faceless YouTube courses in the world, but who gives a fuck? I know you don't. I know you came here for value and that's what you're going to get. So hit the like button and let's get into it. So the golden opportunity to make money is this. There's a niche currently on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. It's called the texting stories niche. And if you type this into Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you'll see this, guys. As you scroll down the homepage, you'll see videos with 800,000 views, 300,000 views, 700,000, 1.3 million views, close to 1 million views, and YouTube as well. Look at this. Going down the list, 300,000 views, 360,000, 300, 200,000, 1 million views, 7.5 million views, 379,000 views, guys. Channels like this, like Textify, are making so much money. Check it out. Social Blade says that they're making from 1,000 to 16,000 per month. And from experience, I can tell you that this channel is probably making around 6,000 to 7,000. You split this in the middle, 6,000 to 7,000 per month just by posting these texting story videos, which, by the way, don't even require editing. You don't need to know CapCut. You don't need to know Canva or Photoshop. Let's sort by popular. 1.9 million views 5 months ago. Do you know how much money 2 million views is on YouTube with ad revenue? It's crazy. You can quit your job, guys. And I know that I'm always talking about quitting jobs because I'm super passionate. I used to work for a shitty boss. I used to wake up every day depressed and anxious and just stressed working for somebody else who was ungrateful of the work that I did for them. 1.6 million views, 1.2 million, 1 million views 2 months ago. 2 months ago, 1 million views. Absolutely crazy, guys. This is only one example, one channel, and the videos that they're making of what's possible with this niche. And again, this niche is not crowded at all. It's a blue ocean. It's completely open. So if you type this in on TikTok or YouTube texting stories, you'll see how many views that these videos get. It's absolutely insane. And not only can you make money with YouTube ad revenue, you can make money with apps like Cantina or Riz app from sponsorships. It's absolutely bonkers, guys. Let me show you an example of what these videos are all about.
Hey, what's up?
Not much, just studying for exams. You?
Same here. I hate studying.
Tell me about it. What time is your last class?
11 a.m. Why?
Want to grab coffee after? I'm free now.
That sounds great. I could use a break.
Awesome. I'll meet you at the usual spot.
Can't wait to see you. You're looking cute today.
Haha, thanks, I think. You're pretty cute yourself.
Really? Is that a compliment?
Definitely.
I'll believe you when I see it.
There I go.
That means you think I'm cute.
Maybe a little.
I have a confession to make.
What's up?
I think I might have a crush on you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is kind of a shock.
Why?
I didn't know you felt that way.
I've been wanting to tell you for a while now.
Well, now you have.
These types of videos get massive amounts of retention. And I think the majority of the people who watch these videos are millennials down. So millennials, Gen Z, Generation Alpha, which, by the way, love these types of videos. They're interesting, they're engaging, and they have background videos that keep people's attention. We all know that in order to succeed on YouTube, you need to create the most amount of video retention. You need to have YouTube viewers watch your video pretty much all the way through in order for the algorithm to recommend and push your videos. And as you can see here, not only are these videos easy to make, but they retain viewer retention. There's no way that a video like this could get 1.2 million views if it did not have great retention. 1.6 million views 1 year ago, 1.9 million views, etc. Before we get into the tutorial about how you can do this and how you can start making money with these types of videos, I want to tell you something really important, guys. I want you to pay attention because 99% of people do not get this, do not understand what I'm about to tell you. And whenever you scroll YouTube, If you are like most people, this is how you think. And if this is not you, leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me that, this is not you or you think a different way. But I'm pretty sure and can almost guarantee you this is how most people think. Most YouTube viewers, when they scroll the YouTube homepage, they're in the mindset of like, oh, wow, check out this video. I might like this. This video might entertain me for a couple of minutes. Or, wow, this video is an hour long. Let me click on it. Maybe I'll be entertained. Maybe I can watch this video as I'm eating dinner. Or, oh, wow, check out this thumbnail. Super cool, super bright, looks interesting. Let me click on it. People are always in the mind state of consuming, just like watching Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu. People are always in the mind state of consuming. And that's why most people on this planet are broke. It's because they're always consuming and not creating. You, on the other hand, since you're watching this video, it means that you're probably a creator. It means that you're probably an entrepreneur who wants to start a business. Now, you, on the other hand, when you scroll YouTube, this is how I want you to think. It's the same thing as driving down Park Avenue in New York City. You're driving past, I just so passionate talking about this, man. You're driving past millions and millions of dollars of real estate on Park Avenue in New York City. Any block that you're on in New York City, you're driving past millions and billions of dollars in real estate. The same thing with Rodeo Drive in California. You're driving past millions of dollars of real estate. When you scroll YouTube, you are literally scrolling by millions and millions of dollars of real estate on YouTube. Check this out. 1 million views. That right there is $30,000 in ad revenue. 12 million views. That right there is $150,000 in ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links, brand deals, merchandise sales. Well, it's just so many ways of monetizing YouTube. And this is only with YouTube. I'm not even talking about TikTok. So you, as an entrepreneur watching this video, probably wanting to start your own AI, your own YouTube business, your own business online, period. As you scroll the YouTube homepage, you're scrolling by millions of dollars of real estate. YouTube is not a video platform, guys. Do not be like 99% of YouTube viewers who think YouTube is just a video platform. No, that's not the truth. That's far from the truth. YouTube is a war for attention. And the better you can get people's attention, the more attention that you can get, the more money that you can make through ad revenue, merchandise sales, sponsorships, brand deals, affiliate links, etc. So let's take this channel, for example, Textify. Textify, like I said, is making around $7,000 a month just in ad revenue. That's not even counting sponsorships and affiliate links. So as you scroll YouTube, I want you to change your perspective. Change your perspective. Instead of thinking, oh, wow, check this out, creepy story, don't watch at night. Wow, I might be entertained by that. Or the sun vanished. Wow, this might be a super cool video. No, do not be like 99% of YouTube creators. As you're scrolling the YouTube homepage, I want you to be in the mind state of money. Be a businessman. A businessman and a businesswoman who scroll YouTube think like this. Oh shit, check it out. 300,000 views. This video paid its creator probably, let's say $3,000. 2 million views. This video paid its creator $7,000 to $10,000. You see what I'm doing? So as you scroll, look at the amount of views. Think in terms of money. Think in terms of CPM and RPM and a financial standpoint. Look at this. Minecraft is super hot on YouTube. Minecraft is always trending. When you combine text stories with Minecraft, bam, 180,000 views. 3 million views on a short. 43,000 views 3 weeks ago. And this channel it's only a small example of what's possible, guys. Look at this other channel. Look at this other channel. How much money he's making per month? $42,000 to $672,000 per month. Split that in half, it's around $250,000. This guy is making $250,000 per year. You, on the other hand, would not even make $250,000 working 6-7 years at your job, waking up every day, working 40 hours a week. This guy posts videos online of texting videos, and he makes $250,000 per month. And yes, this guy has a lot of subscribers, guys. This guy has millions of subscribers. But why can't this guy, his name is Luke Davidson, he has 17 million subscribers. why can't this guy be you? Why can't you be you? Like, you're probably way more entertaining than this guy. Go to Luke Davidson and look at his channel. He's not even very entertaining, guys. You probably have a better personality than him. You probably look better than him. You're probably more creative than him. If this guy can do it, and no hate to Luke, he's probably a hustler. He probably works hard. No hate to Luke, but if this guy can do it, come on, you can do it. Why can't this be you? Why can't you be the one making $250,000 a month? Not even $250,000. Why can't you make $10,000 a month, $5,000 a month? Why can't that be you? It absolutely can. It's absolutely possible. And we're going to cover this app that I use to make these videos. It's called Teza.app, and this can make it possible for you. So the program that I use to create these videos is called Teza.app, and this program is absolutely insane. I mean, not only does it do text stories, which is right here, but it does so many different things. You can create videos with Sora. You can chop up your videos and put short form videos on your TikTok channel, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. It has a stream clipper. It has Reddit stories, tutorials, affiliate pro, you name it. This is one of the best apps that I've ever used. But we're going to be talking about text story here. And I want to show you how this works because, I think a lot of people have the misconception about you need to work hard to be successful on YouTube. And yes, you do. You need to be consistent. Consistency is the key on YouTube. If you're not consistent, you're not going to be successful. You're not going to make any money on YouTube. It doesn't matter if you're putting your face on camera. It doesn't matter if you have the most charming personality in the world and you put your face on your YouTube content. You have the best camera and the best sound equipment and the best gear and the best crew and the best everything. It does not matter, guys. I've seen faceless YouTube channels, which, by the way, I teach a faceless YouTube course. That's one of the #1 courses in the world. But you don't need my course to be successful. You don't. Like, everything you need is in my videos on YouTube completely for free. So here is where we create the text story. It's all automatic. So you can create your own here. You can enter messages, or you can have the AI generate it in literally 2 seconds. So let's write a story about a man who believes his girlfriend is cheating on him. He goes to the store and she sends him weird text messages. We're going to click generate. Okay, we typed in our subject, we hit generate, and it came up with a complete story here. Super, super cool stuff. You can always come back in and edit this, and you can check out a sample here. So let's move forward. We have different layouts that we can change. Light mode, dark mode, we can add shadows, all that good stuff. We're going to go with light mode for now. We're going to click move forward. Here's where it starts to get more fun. We have the green screen option, which we can insert any video that we want behind the text message. So as we saw here, there was a video behind this, which is a Minecraft, but you can add any video that you want. Move forward. Now we're going to select the voice.
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are silly. You're as old as you feel.
Wrinkles should merely indicate where smiles have been.
We're going to click forward. And this video is going to cost us 1 credit. So we're going to export video. All right. A couple seconds later, and it gave us our video. Let's check it out.
Babe, can you grab milk?
Sure thing. Anything else?
Nope, just hurry back. I miss you.
Miss you too. Be back soon.
Want new image.
What's that?
Oops, wrong person, LOL.
Who were you trying to send that to? Seriously, who?
It was nothing. My girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
I'm what?
This is getting ridiculous. I'm coming home.
Don't bother.
What?
He's already here.
Who's there?
Your dad.
So I highly encourage you to check out channels like this. Look at how many views they're getting. And I know that the majority of you are probably watching this video like, well, yeah, they're getting views, but how can I do the same? Just use Teza.app. It's not hard, guys. Like, the price that you invest in this, let's check out the prices here really quick. So the monthly plan is $43. If you pay annually, it's $36 a month. But you can easily make that back in 20,000 views. And to get 20,000 views with these types of videos, guys, if you're consistent, it'll happen. It'll happen eventually. And right now they're offering a three-day free trial. Another thing that I wanted to mention is right now, Teza.app is reviewing TikTok pages and YouTube pages completely for free. You don't even have to have a subscription to Teza.app. Just go to the website, click on Get My Page Reviewed, and it'll take you to their Discord server. So essentially what they're doing is they're giving you feedback to improve your theme page, picking the right niche for your content, best hashtags to use, and best times to upload. And again, guys, this is completely for free. You don't even have to have a subscription to Teza.app. Also, right now, what Teza.app is doing is when you sign up to their subscription, they give you a one-on-one mentorship from their algorithm expert, which makes it impossible not to make a return on investment. Teza.app makes sure that you make money. It's not just a video generation tool, guys. It's not just a video clipper tool. It's not just something that you can use Sora to. It's not just a program that you can generate text stories. Teza.app and their entire team make sure, their whole community makes sure that you make money. Also, they're running a text story campaign where they pay you 50 cents per 1,000 views on the 1st of November. You don't even have to be monetized on YouTube to be a part of this. All you have to do is use Teza to generate text story videos and be a part of the campaign. So check out Teza.app down below. The link is in the description, and hopefully I'll see you over there, guys. Hopefully I see you in the Discord. We can hang out. We can chat for a little bit. But yeah, texting stories, I believe this niche is super, super wide open. There's not a lot of competitors in here. There's tons of money to be made, and hope you liked the video. Like it, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Alrighty. Bye-bye.